How to outline text in Canva? Well, certainly not like this. There you go, this is how it should look like. Oh yes! Exactly, now we're talking!
What are the news though?
Well, Willie, the news are that outlining text in Canva is actually not that difficult. It's just that this feature is a little bit hidden. But no worries, we'll get there shortly. Here's how it's done. To outline text in Canva, first of all we are going to press T on our keyboard to add some text. Then double click on your text and insert some text. I'm simply going to write outline here. Now I'll just make this text a little bit bigger. Then make sure that your text is selected and click on Effects in the top toolbar. Now to get our outline effect, all we need to do is to click here on Splice, then reduce the offset to 0, and it's basically a wrap already.
Holy moly, that was easy!
Now here under color you can change the base color for your text, so I could change that into red for example, and here in the top toolbar I can simply click here on this A, and can then change the color of our outline. If you want to change the base color of your text, simply go into Effects again here, and under color change the color. And that's how simple it is to create perfect text outlines in Canva. Now, if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, smash that like button and make sure to hit the notification bell. Also make sure to watch the next video on this channel where I will tell you everything about the 30 greatest Canva hacks of all time.